Hi, this is Braden and welcome to DFW Insiders, a channel where we take a look at things to do in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. This week, we took a trip to Legacy Hall in Plano. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing. It's that big red button underneath the video window. It would make us ever so happy. Legacy Hall opened in May of 2018. Its concept is to mimic the experience of a European food hall like this one in Amsterdam. So what exactly is a food hall? The roots of food halls probably begin at Harrods of London, which is a department store that opened its food hall in 1834 and is located on the lower ground floor, serving a wide variety of fine food and beverage. This is what Harrods Food Hall looks like. It's got that British posh vibe. Legacy Hall doesn't stand on that kind of fanciness. In fact, Legacy Hall contains a concert venue called the Box Garden and a working brewery run by Unlawful Assembly Brewing Company. I mean, they have to fill 55,000 square feet somehow, right? It was raining and cold when we went, as you can probably see. Let's talk about the food. They have 22 food stalls, and I'm going to painfully list all of them. Bar Main, the main place to get craft cocktails. Beijing Brothers, they sell real Chinese food. Berry Naked, a fresh frozen pop stand. Blister Non Wraps, it's kind of like Chipotle style build your own Indian inspired wraps. We got the tikka masala wrap. Blush Wine Bar, it's a wine bar. Carlton Provisions, which serves Texas barbecue, and it's outside. This would be the time to point out that the outside area is fenced in by reclaimed cargo containers. Chef Chin's Hibachi Ramen, which wasn't open when we went, but is in fact open now. Deeganhart's Brat House. Some of us try to eat keto because we're a slave to fads, so this is a place we tried too. Forno Nero, Brick Oven Pizzeria. Good View Bar, self-explanatory. Haskell and Worth, doing worthwhile Philly cheesesteak. Haute Sweets for that good local-made ice cream and fresh French macaron. It's not pronounced macaroons, those are coconut. Anyway, they have them. Horu Sushi, they make sushi and sashimi. Press Waffle, just really exploring everything a waffle has the potential to be. Roots Chicken Shack, it's fried chicken, but they fry it in duck fat. And if you just sat up in your chair, then you should go try it. Seabreeze, a family-owned spot serving lobster rolls and chowder. Or is it lobster rolls and chowder? Shawarma Bar, Mediterranean street food. Son of a Butcher, elevated sliders, shakes, and fries. The Italian Job, handmade authentic Italian pasta. Unlawful Assembly Brewing, lawfully occupying the third floor. They sell beer that they brew on site. Velvet Taco, tacos pushed to their culinary limit. They call themselves the opposite of a street taco. Well, actually, they say antithesis to the humble street taco, but hard words are hard. And finally, because W is at the end of the alphabet, Whisk and Eggs, Parisian crepes, and sandwiches. Yeah, it's a good spread. Here are some things to know. Before you even enter the building, know that parking can be a trial. We highly recommend using the parking garage closest to the hall, but be aware that parking spaces are small. So if you drive a large vehicle, like when we drove there, it can be trying, especially when you go to leave. I embarrassingly executed a 7-point turn to get into the parking spot, and that's after I waited for a few minutes for other cars to clear out from behind me. Okay, parking rant over, now back to the hall itself. If you're going to order a Coke at any bar, you'll be asked if Pepsi is okay, and I know that some people aren't a fan of this. If you order a drink from one of the food halls, on the other hand, they're going to give you a cup, and then you go to one of the drink stations to fill it. They have a diverse selection that features Pepsi and Stubborn Soda products. They also have the 2 Texas Originals, Dr. Pepper, and Big Red. I'm including this fact for my sister-in-law. Even though the hall has open seating like a typical food court, they do try to make the dining areas feel private. They use a lot of intentional spacing, focused lighting, and partitions to create more intimate spaces. Would we recommend you bring your kids? Yeah, actually. The place is always kind of loud, and there's a myriad of cuisine choices, and there are high chairs available for younger kids. Bathrooms will also accommodate younger children because we can't make a video without talking about the bathrooms, apparently. We went on Tuesday, which is Geeks Who Drink Trivia Night. You can find that every week on the third floor, hosted by Quizmaster Jeff. Jeff is our buddy, so if you go, tell him DFW Insiders says hi. Well, that was Legacy Hall in Plano. It's a fun and unique dining experience, and it's always changing as restaurants move in and out. We recommend that you bring your foodie friends and buy a wide selection of bites to try together. Maybe get a trivia team together and go on a Tuesday. If you found yourself actually enjoying this video, please subscribe. We also love seeing likes. If you want to interact with us, you can do so here on YouTube in the comments section, or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for coming along with us. I'm Braden, and this was DFW Insiders.